Good afternoon. I'll give y'all an update on the 390. We just went and picked up the heads today. Let's see, we had 4 replaced valves on his, fixed 8 valve seats and 16 new springs. And he removed my manifolds for me. That way I didn't have to worry about breaking anything. And put a new helical in. Everything looks good. All I had him do was clean them up and fix what was broke. They had already been fixed once before, about 30 years ago. The springs were real not doing very well for them. They were kind of all over the place, he said. Didn't want to hold like they were supposed to, so they replaced them. You see a little bit of pitting on the, can y'all see that? A little bit of pitting on the valve stems, on the valve. So all in all, this right here cost me $618. So I'm ready to see it run. But this is the current status. Everything looks good on both the heads. So might get them on tonight, might get them on tomorrow night. Thank y'all, and I hope y'all enjoy.